First, you have to make sure that you've signed into Google with your Google account. So just click the icon on the top right and make sure that you've signed in. After that, you have to search Google Forms. Then click the first website, which is Google Forms. And over here, under Personal, click on Go to Google Forms. So now this is the site from where you can create a Google form. So over here they have few ready-made templates for contact information, RSVP, party invitations, or a t-shirt sign-up. So first, you have to double click on Untitled Form, and this will be the title of your form. So I'll keep it sample, and below it you can keep any description. So I'll just keep Tech is easy. Then click on the first question, and you can type whatever you want. So I'll just keep your name. And over here you can decide whether you want a short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, or drop down. So since it's a name, I'll keep it a short answer. And you can decide whether you want this field to be required or not. So I'll keep it required. The meaning of required is that a person filling in this form will have to enter their name to submit this form. To add another question, you have to click the plus over here, and you can type the next question. So I'll keep it email ID. And again you can decide whether you want a short answer or long answer. I'll add another question by clicking plus, and I'll type, have you subscribed? And for this, I can choose multiple choice. So on the option 1, I'll double click and I'll write yes. Then click on add option to add another option and type no. So then just click anywhere else and it'll be made. I'll just add one more question called comments. And for comments, I'll choose paragraph as it'll be a long answer. So after that's done, click anywhere else, and then on the top right, click the I to preview this. So it'll take you to a new tab. Over here you can see the name of the form, which is sample, and all the questions, which are your name, email ID, have you subscribed, and comments. So since we put your name as required, there's a red star next to it. So no one can submit this form unless they've entered their name. So I'll go back, and over here I'll change the theme of the form. You have to click this icon on the left of the preview button. So click on that, and you can put an image as your header. So you can either choose an image from your laptop or a default Google image. So I'll choose this for now by clicking on it and then click on insert. After that, you can choose a theme color. So I'll keep it blue. You can also choose the background color and change the font style. So I'll keep it playful. And then, to see if all these changes are made, I'll click on preview. So as you can see, the image has come, the background color has changed, and the blue color has come here, and the font has also changed. Now the form is created, and to share it to others, you have to click send, which is on the top right. And over here you can either send it via email, Facebook or Twitter, or there's also a code with which you can send it. After people have filled in this form and you want to see their answers, you have to click on responses, and over here you'll get a simple overview of all the answers. You can also link the Google form to Google Sheets, where you can get a detailed look of the answers.